What'd you make?
Mini diffusers.
Mini diffusers? Tell me about it.
So, I took a glue cap that I found on the floor. I took a sticky note. I put glue on the sticky note, and I put the glue stick inside of it. Then I took a tissue and I put it inside, and it's a little diffuser. It's waterproof because it has the cap inside of it, so you can put how many drops of oil you want, and then you put water in it because it's waterproof. So yeah.
How does it? And then how does it work?
And then you just leave it alone for a couple of minutes, and whenever you want to smell the oil, you just smell it.
Oh, and why did you decide to make that?
Because I like oils, and I like using them to make rollers.
Oh. Okay, great.
And soon I'm going to be ordering my own rollers. So yay!
Okay.
I mean oils, not rollers. I'll be making rollers. I'll be ordering oils to make the rollers. Simple as that.
Show us a close-up. Very cool.